Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, and within this video I'll explain how to download video that you've recorded using your Oculus Go to your computer. In my case, I'm using a Mac. So the first thing you want to do is put on your Oculus Go and turn it on, and be sure you've got the USB cable plugged into the side of the Oculus Go. Now what you're going to want to do quickly, well, you don't have to do it quickly, but you don't want to wait around too long, is lift your headset up, and then the other end of the USB cable, plug it into your computer. And after you've plugged that in, put your headset back on, and it'll say allow access to data. The connected device will be able to access files on this headset. I'll say allow. And then once I said allow, you can see here this program will launch. It's called Android File Transfer. Check the link within this video's description, expand this video's description, and you can find a link where to download this. So you've got to have this for your Mac. And then once this launches, again with your headset still on and your headset still connected by way of USB cable, you can go into Oculus and then go into video shots, and within here you can see your recorded videos. So you can simply drag them out, and now you've got a video on your computer that you can share or do whatever you want to with. And likewise, you could use this file transfer not just to capture your videos that you recorded using your Oculus Go, but you could transfer files to the Oculus Go from the Oculus Go. It opens up a lot of flexibility. So I hope this video is of value. If it was, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, youtube.com/IrixGuy. Click that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. And if you haven't purchased an Oculus Go yet, or you're looking to get one for a friend or family, expand this video's description and check the link there, and you can find both models. I just got the smaller 32 gig, but at the time of posting this, there's also a 64 gig available, and you can find both Oculus Go models there. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Irix Guy here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for Irix Guy's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.